Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below if you want to see more videos. So this is going to be a 1 month review of this wig that I have on my head. I ordered it off of hairvivi.com, and I just want to talk to you guys a little bit about how the hair has been holding up, because I heard so many mixed reviews about Hair Vivi before I ordered this wig, and I just want to give you guys my personal opinion because I bought this hair myself. No one sent me this hair. I paid for this hair with my hard-earned money, and I just want to give you a good review on what I thought of the hair. So I'm gonna get straight to the point. The wig is, I believe it's 8 inches. It's called it's the Kerry unit, and I got it in a medium cap, and the medium cap is 22.5 inches. And it comes with a 5x5 closure, HD lace. And one thing about Hair Vivi, it's really cool because they have this fake scalp. So instead of putting on a wig cap underneath and like putting makeup on it, you could get a fake scalp to already match your scalp pretty much. So you could avoid that whole putting the wig cap underneath. And I ordered mine in the color cappuccino. And it comes in like 3 different colors. I think it's like cappuccino, mocha, and I don't know, caramel. I could be wrong, but it comes in about 3 different colors. So I'm gonna start off with my cons, and I don't have a lot of cons. I just could say that the wig cap I feel like it's kind of small. Or maybe my head is just big. So if you have a big head, maybe just, get the large. I got a medium, and, I feel like it was a little small. I could have probably got a larger size. But now I know that next time if I was to order them again, from them again, I would get a, larger wig cap. And the knots were already pre-bleached. I think in some areas it's maybe slightly over bleached, but nothing too serious. But besides that, I don't have any problems with the wig. I like the wig. I feel like the quality is pretty decent. I feel like it is a little bit of price. It's a little bit pricey because for this wig, I think they gave like a $30 off coupon for, your first order. So I think it was $219 before the coupon, and after the coupon is $189. So that's pretty pricey for only 8 inches. But besides that, I love the wig. It's really soft. It's really soft, and the cut was really nice. And I have no complaints. I do wish that they did have an option where you didn't have to order the fake scalp. Because, I think sometimes after a while the thread on the fake scalp gets loose. And so if I come in closer, you could kind of see where the fake scalp ends, and where it's just lace. So I kind of wish I did put a wig cap underneath because the thread on the fake scalp kind of came loose a little bit. So I feel like you could see it. But I love it, y'all. It's real HD lace. It's thin. I feel like it blends in with your scalp more. It blends in with your scalp a lot better. And I feel like I may definitely order from them again. Shipping, I believe shipping took about 2 weeks, which, it's kind of long, but it's not too bad. I mean, I love it. I heard so many bad reviews on Hair Vivi, and I was a little scared to order from them. But it was a positive experience so far. So if you haven't checked out my first video of the unboxing, please check that out first so you can see how the wig looked on my head when I first got the wig. Again, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.